Today we are going to learn post-order traversal of binary trees. Now what is a traversal? The process of visiting each of the nodes in the tree and examine the values stored in a node. This is called as iteration, enumeration or traversal. Now, in a binary trees, it is often required that we process the nodes of the tree. So there are some methods for traversing the nodes in the tree. One of them is called as post-order traversal. There are three steps that we need to follow when we are going to traverse in this method. First, visit the left child node. Second, then visit the right child node. Third, and then visit the root. Let us see what does this mean. Suppose there is a tree with only three nodes, A, B and C. A is at the root, B is the left child and C is the right child. The post-order traversal says, first you visit the root node, first you visit the node B, which is the left child node. Then you visit the right child node and then you visit the root node. So the traversal BCA of this small tree is post-order traversal. Now there is a simple algorithm. Traverse the left subtree of the root R in the post-order. Traverse the right subtree of R in the post-order. Process the root R. This is a recursive algorithm. Let us have a look at a tree. This is a tree which we are going to traverse in the post-order traversal manner. We'll learn it today, how we do that. D is the leftmost child in this tree. It is clearly visible that D is at the leftmost position. So how we arrive at it? Now it is clearly visible in the diagram. Now we process D, then the right child node of this small subtree DPA is A. We process A, then the root of this tree is P. So we traverse P. So this small tree has been processed. Now we move. This small portion is the left child node of the tree whose parent or the root node is M and L is the right child. So post-order traversal says go to the right child. So L, and then go to the parent of it, which is M. So now the left and the right child of M has been processed, so we process M. Now M has the parent S. So before processing the root, we process the right subtree of S. So in the right subtree of the S, there are many subtrees. The leftmost is U. So the node U is processed after M. Then there is a small subtree of Q, U and Z. Z is the right child node, so we process Z and then process the parent Q. Now the small subtree Q, U, Z has been processed. P as the parent node of this small subtree, G, F and X form the right subtree. So from Q we'll process the right, we'll start processing the right subtree. In the right subtree G, F, X, F is the leftmost. So we go to F. Then the right child node of G, F, X is X and then we move to G. Now we move to T, which is the unprocessed parent, and finally to S. So this is called post-order traversal of binary trees.